Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a really easy Winnie the Pooh inspired set of nails with bumblebees. Going to start with a warm fire, which is a really nice, like I'd say it's like creamy yellow. I don't want this set to be too bright. So I'm going to do a bumblebee on there, reload my brush up, and I'm going to do another one on here. So just cleaning my brush off with the gel residue wipe off solution. Then thumb palette, back on the go. Right, so I'm going to start doing some Winnie the Pooh characters. So, get my phone up for some references. And I'm only going to go round these in black. I'm going to do no colour because I'm just going to use this, which is soft beige, as a background colour. I always use warm beige, so I thought I'd go for soft today. So with all of my designs, when I'm doing like hand painted stuff, I have a reference, obviously my phone, and then I'm just using the tip of the brush. Like if you make a mistake, like I feel like his ear's a little bit too big, what you can do is just, before you cure it, you can wipe it off, like so, and you can go in and do it again. I'm just adding a little bit of like a shade to it, so there's absolutely nothing on my brush, and what I'm doing is just dipping back into the design and just adding a little bit. So I'm happy with him, so I'm just going to leave him, and obviously that one's wet, thumb's wet. Onto this hand, I'm going to do Tigger. So again, dipping back in my brush. I think I'm going to do him upside down, because why not? Make things harder. So I'm going to start off with his nose. And he's got some little lines here. I thought this would be quite a simple, easy design. I might have lied a little bit. Pop a little bit of shading on his nose, make his eyebrows a little bit bigger as well. I'm going to use Bumblebee from the polka dot collection for like tiny little paper dots. I'm going to cheat and just move them around a little bit. There you go. Once you're happy with all your little dots and the first part of my design, pop your hand under, 30 seconds please. I'm going to do a little bumblebee, I'm going to do some tiny little wings on him. some stripes. And just dotting a little eye on him because I want to. And using the tip of my brush, gonna leave some dots, little buzzy dots, see where he's been. Yeah. Again, reloading my brush up. Now I'm gonna try to do Eeyore. Oh, I used to love Eeyore. I used to have an Eeyore,
my favourite Eeyore
pencil case when I was in school, and like a fluffy one. Just a little stitching down his head. He's too cute. Rub out some of his hair because I forgot to put his ear on. But that's the good thing about using gel polishes. Make a mistake, just rub it out. And now, Pooh Bear. Pop him on the side so it looks like they're all together. I'm happy with him. I'm going to do a second coat on Bumblebee. And again, add some wings, little eye, some stripes and some fuzzy dots. And because this is a big thumb, I can kind of go all over the place with it. Been everywhere. Pop him under, 30 seconds please. So using the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to seal that in. These nails were just sculpted. So we did them nice and short so they're manageable. She's not going to like catch them and snap them or anything. And then for this design I thought it went really well to have a nice short nail. Like cram the characters in. Make sure I've not got anything on the skin. All good. Pop them under for 60 seconds, please. So to finish off, I'm going to use the almond cuticle oil. So it's simple and effective. Love them. So yeah, it's quite a simple set, but also you do need to kind of make them look like the characters. But get a reference on your phone, you'll be fine. Nice and simple. Bumblebees. Easy peasy. We have not many products.
No.
Love it. Simple. So I hope you enjoyed the video. All the products will be listed below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also give us a like, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.